about circles. If you would, pause, write this down so that we can take some notes on writing the equation of a circle. So, all right, step one. And remember, you can pause this so that if you don't have this written down, you got to go, wait, just hit pause, okay? Hit pause, the pause button. All right, so we'll start. We're going to put a center point in the middle of our circle, okay? We're going to label that as H, comma, K. You'll see why in a moment. All right, just a random circle, and I'm going to draw a line to a point on my circle. And a point on my circle is going to be the point X, comma, Y. All right. Now, if I take this and spin it around, it has obviously a variety of different ordered pairs. Not that important now. But what we're looking for is the equation of a circle. And we're going to get that from this simple information. And watch what I'm going to do. I am going to draw a triangle here. So let's draw a triangle. I'm going to go straight down a vertical line. And I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Okay? That is a right angle. Cool, huh? All right, great. So now, notice something. How could I find the distance or the length of this line that I'm pointing to? Well, think of your y values. Well, this y value up top is y. This y value down the bottom is k. So I'm going to call that y minus k. If you can think some numbers, we can make up some numbers and put it here, but that's what you would call that. That's y minus k. That's how you would find that distance or that length. Well, this one, how could I find that length? Think x values. I'm going from left to right. So this value here would be x. This value over here is k. So that one's going to be x minus h. I said k. I should have said h. Sorry. All right. So now let's change colors. Why? Because I just feel like it. Can I change color? I can do this. All right. So next, what you want to do to write out a proof, I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem. Everybody remembers the Pythagorean theorem. That is just a squared plus, hopefully you're saying it now, or you're staring at the video, either one. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. All right, this is c. This is a and this is b. It doesn't matter if you get those mixed up. Just c has to be the one on the opposite of the right angle. So now, there are no numbers here, but all I'm going to do is, and watch what I'm going to do. Let's go ahead and so we'll make sense of this. This is A, that's B, that's C. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Well, watch this. A is X minus H. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to have X minus H squared plus, what's B? B is just this distance right here, which is y minus k squared. And that's equal to, well, in this case, my c is c squared, but watch what I'm going to do. I should have did this in the beginning. Instead of calling it c, I am going to call it r. R for radius. So that's going to be r squared. This is the equation of a circle. And it's an equation of the circle with h comma k as my center, and r is equal to the radius. That's it. We're done. That's the proof. Once you have this, you can draw any circle. Very simple. So let me give you an example. Let's do another board. I'm going to try to do another board. I can do this. So if I just randomly draw, and everybody write this down, this would be example number 1. That was the actual proof. Here's an XY graph here. And my equation is x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 9. You look at this and you identify what your center is. Well, remember my general equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. All right, so what does this tell me? H is my center, the x coordinate, so that's going to be 2. K is the y coordinate. Notice this is minus k, so this k is going to be opposite, so it's going to be negative 3. That's my center. My radius is just, well, it says 9 is equal to r squared, so I'm going to say what times what is 9, or take the square root of 9, because basically you're going r squared equals 9. Take the square root, r is equal to 3. So now I'm going to grab this. I'm going to go over 2, down 3. That's my center. From there, you literally go 3 in every direction, draw your circle. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, about here. 1, 2, about here. Go down 3, 1, 2, 3, about here. Over 1, 2, 3, about here. Draw a circle. You're done. So this is video number 1 on just the simple equation of drawing a circle. And what we'll do is do another video here in a moment on some more examples and completing the square.